Hello everybody and welcome to the Odd Oddish. It is your boy, the Odd Oddish, and I want to show you guys how to simply list a card, or this can really show you how to list any item on eBay, but in particularly we're going to be listing this PSA 10 Marnie's Pride. We're just going to be putting it up for auction on PS4, and yeah, that's it. So let me show you what we're going to do. So first, you're going to bring up your eBay, you're going to go to your search bar, and what I do is I would type in PSA 10 Marnie's Pride, and that's it. Let it run. All right, so here we go. Here's some ones that are for sale. Also, here's some that are currently in auction, and I'm actually just gonna go just because I'm curious what they're selling for at the moment to see, try to get an idea what my auction will end at. As you can see, I went through here, and you just go scroll down until you see sold items. Check that. Hit show results down there, and then this will bring up. So it looks like they're selling for 120, 160. That's the Japanese, 130. So around 120 bucks. And actually, this first one right here on the list actually looks really good to me. I like that listing. I like the title. So I'm actually just going to go in and tap that. And as you can see right on top, our button is right there. We're just going to sell one like this. And since that listing looks good, we're just going to go ahead and transfer as many details as we can from that listing to this listing. All right, so first up, I like to take my pics right away, so that way the pictures can start loading while you're doing the rest of the listing. So let's see here, doing a three-way picture through a phone. Let me change the aspect ratio here. Boom, I'm just trying to get it so there's no glares or anything like that. I hold the card to a slight angle. All right, now I'm going to get a little better close-up of the cards. People can see centering and stuff like that on their own. And I'll do it on the back as well. All right, there we go. So that's really all we should need this card for now. So we're going to set that back down, hit done down here. And then we're going to go hit the back button. And then you can see that's what our listing will look like, that first picture. Totally happy with that. It looks clear. You can see the Marnie and you can see the 10. That's everything we're looking for. There's the title we liked before. Now we're going to want to go in and look at the specific details. So condition, all you can choose is used. So that's nice and easy. TCG, Pokemon, graded, yes. Card type, Pokemon, set, Brilliant Stars, grade, 10, baby. I'm proud of this PSA 10. So we want to make sure that's in there. Professional grader, of course, PSA, baby. The one and only. All right, then we got card condition near mint or better. That's all you can put. Character, we can put in there Marnie. She is a semi-popular character, so that may actually help get some extra attention to it. And then a lot of these, you can keep filling them out if you want, but we have like more than 10 done already, so I'm just going to go ahead and let that ride. Yeah, we have like 10, and the ones mostly at the top are the most important ones. And then we're going to check our category, collectible card games, good. And then description, we're going to go in here. I actually am on a run of listing a bunch of slabs, and I already have a little description made. And what I do is I type it out one time, then, wait. Oh my gosh, that's on the wrong phone, my bad. So, all right, here's what I'm going to put. Fresh grade, ships in a cardboard box to preserve slabs condition. And I ship my slabs in a box just because it's like 10 cents more than a poly bag, and it just doesn't risk breaking your card, cracking the slab, or anything like that, because I've received cracked slabs. And then let's see, willing to hear offers, because I am going to have offers on, so not orders, offers. And then we're going to do thanks for viewing. Okay. Sorry, I'm used to using an iPhone, so jumping back to this Android is kind of messing me up. And I'm actually going to copy this too, so that way, if I do other listings on this phone, I can just copy that. All right, so we're actually starting off. My buddy asked me to start these off at $19.99. Offers, yes, we'll take offers. Back, add a reserve price. He says no. Schedule a start time. Yes, I do want that, because I want them all to start today, which is Friday at 7:05, and I started at 7. I have one going at 7, 7:01, 7:02, 7:03, 7:04, and then so on and so forth. And that actually costs 10 cents to schedule a start time. So I am paying that, and buy it now, we're not doing that. But if you did want that, I think it's an additional 35 cents to have a buy it now in your auction as well. So we're going to be doing first class because our packages are 8 ounces even with the box. And they're only like 8 by 6 by 2. All right, hit the check mark down there. And even if you're doing this on iPhone, it'll be pretty much the same thing. It's, you know, maybe your little button layout will be a little different, but not by much. All right, now we're going to get down here, your preferences. And since this is a card, normally I always do 30-day free returns on all my items because I am like an everything seller. But on trading cards, I am just going to do no returns accepted. I actually have a special baseball card setting in my pre-settings that I made that I put on for slabs. So sell it faster, you can't do it on an auction. And then as you see down there, our listing fee is 10 cents, and that is only because I'm scheduling the listing. So, you know, 20 listings will be $2. And once again, we'll review it. Pictures, titles, details, category, description, pricing, delivery, preferences, and that is it. Then you go list your item. And success. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you list a card on eBay. And now this Marnie's Pride is listed on eBay. Well, it'll be going live in a couple hours for a 1-week auction starting at 20 bucks. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for viewing. If you guys haven't yet done so, please hit that subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 1K any day. So appreciate you guys. And let's just keep doing what we love. Pokemon, baby, let's go. All right, y'all. Love your family. Peace.